Hey guys, it's Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Today's video we're talking tie downs. I wanted to make this video because my buddy Derek over at Vice Grip Garage actually requested this video.
One of you guys out there has got to show me a better way to deal with these straps. I kind of just, you know.
So what I'm going to show you today is how to organize your tie downs so that you never have them get tangled up. It works with small tie downs, great big huge tie downs, different types of tie downs. Let's get started. This tie down trick works with all sizes of tie downs as well as all the different types. So there's the press to release, the tension ones, the ratchets of various sizes, all the way up to ginormous toe straps, etc. Let's tame some tie downs. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. The very first thing you do is you take up all of the slack so that both of the hooks are up next to each other. Find the end of the long strap and start rolling it. You want to roll it so that the inside diameter is only wide enough to allow the strap to be passed back through it. You leave yourself a little bit of slack, pass it through the middle of the hole, and then pull the roll through the loop that you just created. Give it a little tug to pull it tight, and there you have it. So while you guys watch me wind the rest of these things back up again, I'm going to tell you how I came about learning this trick. I used to deliver hot shot freight, and I was on a delivery using a flatbed trailer from Salt Lake City to Rock Springs, Wyoming. It was the dead of winter, the wind was blowing really hard, and it was late at night. A flatbed trucker I would pass him on the road, and then I would have to pull over and fix my straps because they were just blowing in the wind and they were getting all over the road, getting all icy. And he would pass me, and then I'd get my tie downs all fixed again, and then I would get on the road, I would pass him. And then I'd have to pull over and stop because my tie downs came undone again and they were blowing in the wind, and I was afraid they were going to get tangled up in my tires. Then he would pass me again. This happened 3 times, and he finally pulled over and stopped, and he was in a diesel. And he says, "I'm going to show you a trick that's going to save your life." And he taught me this tie down trick, and it literally has been life-changing for me knowing this trick. I don't have my straps come undone on the roads anymore. They're not blowing in the breeze. I teach people this trick as often as I can so that they don't have to stop on the side of the road or have a strap get tangled up in their wheels or whatever. So practice this trick on your tie downs, and once you do it 2 or 3 different times, you'll realize how easy it really is, and you'll own this trick the rest of your life. You guys have no idea how hard that was on my OCD. To unravel all those, this is how I usually keep them stored, so that if I ever need one, I can just reach in. Let's say I want that one right there, I can just reach in and grab it. What about, let's see, maybe this one down here. Boom, there it is. Nothing's ever tangled up anymore, and you can get things out. I even grabbed the 3 that I keep underneath my seat of my truck. My hands got really dirty. Woo, that's awesome. I usually keep 1 that's the tension type under my seat, and 2 that are the ratchet type. A ratchet strap. So I'll put those 3 back underneath the seat of my truck, so I always have 2 ratchets and a regular tension one. I don't know what those are called. What are those called? I call them tension straps, I don't know. It's that type. Push to release as opposed to the ratchet. I have no idea. I actually don't really like those except for tying down like tarps or something, but anyway. This is how you tame your tie downs. Easy to store, they don't take up a lot of space. Keep 3 tie downs underneath the seat of my truck and keep them wrapped up just like that so that I can get to them easy, and then we can use them. So when you go to use your tie downs, right, you just pull them out of wherever you have them. They're like this, and you need some length out of it, so you just pull that loop back over the top and let it slide through, and keep a hold of your roll, and then you can pull out as much as you need. Use your tie down again at whatever length, Put that back through, and now your loop stays there. This will save you so much time. You go to one of the big box stores and you pick up your load or whatever, you strap it in, you put your tie down like this, right, and ratchet it until it's tight, and then your knot stays there. And then when you're done with your tie down, it's just a matter of pulling that slack back through towards your roll. Pull your roll back through your loop, roll it back up. Give yourself enough slack to be able to do it, but you push the strap through the hole, and then you pull the whole knot or the roll back through that loop that you pushed through. So it looks like that. And that is how you tame your tie downs. So this is Troy with DIY Home and Auto. Tame your tie downs. Pick yourself up a shirt. I'll leave links down below. Throw me some support. I'd appreciate that. Be sure and subscribe. Airplanes. Be sure and subscribe. Click like if you think I deserved it. And check the links for additional videos, that sort of thing. Be sure and ring the bell so you get notified of any of the new stuff I've got coming up. I've got some amazing projects in the works that you don't want to miss. I'll see you guys in the next video.